Today we're going to talk about the Sellemer toilet brush and holder set. This comes with a flexible flat-headed toilet bowl brush with silicone bristles, a compact size for easy storage and organisation. First of all, let's take a closer look at the design of this brush. The bristles are designed to be gentle yet effective at cleaning your toilet bowl. The flat-headed design allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas, and the silicone bristles are flexible, which makes it easier to clean around the curved parts of the bowl. The handle is also economically designed for comfortable grip, and it's easy to hold while cleaning. Now, taking a look at the holder, the compact size of this set allows for easy storage and organisation, and the holder has a drip tray that catches any excess water, keeping your bathroom clean and hygienic. Now, as you can see, it's tabled either for the wall or the floor. Now let's see the Sellemer toilet brush and holder set in action. Now, as you can see, the silicone brushes easily clean the bowl without scratching or damaging the surface. The flatted headed design also makes it easy to clean under the rim of the toilet bowl, which can be a hard to reach area. Now, when you receive your Sellemer toilet brush and holder set, it'll come in a bag like this with 5 parts. It would come with the handle, the brush head, the holder and the sticky back plastic. Let's assemble the Sellemer toilet brush, starting with the handle, which comes in 2 pieces which just need to be screwed together. Then take the flat brush head and screw that end to the remaining end also. And there you have it. Your Sellemer toilet brush and holder set is ready to use. So what's the benefits of the Sellemer toilet brush? First, it's easy to use and provide effective cleaning results. The silicone bristles are gentle on the toilet bowl but tough on grime and dirt. And using a silicone toilet brush is more hygienic than a bristle one. And a compact size of the set makes it easy to store and saves you valuable bathroom space. And if you want to know how to clean a toilet brush, check out the next video coming up.